fireworks starting right now.
Your tablet, you can take some pictures too.
Tosha's using it.
Yeah, but I'm not allowed to take videos.
Okay, we are starting fireworks soon. Positioning.
Now.
Oh, let's see what we're going to have this time. Is it traffic lights? Oh, let's see where Josh is. Josh, can you see?
Oh. That one's a surprise. Oh. I don't think the fuse is working.
Yeah. That one's called a fire, isn't it?
That's what you would have in some videos.
Oh, that's amazing.
My tablet. I'm in my phone. Oh, gosh.
That was a trick.
That was a trick, all right.
Favorite one so far.
Yeah. I'm glad I have a charger out here.
Look how far the smoke is going, so like a rainbow.
I'm glad I have a charger out here. Or then my tablet. I mean,
I love the smell of them.
I always
likes rainbows.
Computer. Okay. There we go. Oh.
I don't have the app for it, Finn.
Oh, you have to use an app for it.
Yeah, I don't have it.
Yeah, you have to go on Google. And
What's that app called?
I don't know. Mummy used to have the app when I had to watch.
Mummy, do you remember what the app was for the thingy?
Traffic light.
Oh, but I need it because it's 1 hour wrong.
Yeah, I just love the smell of them as well.
Sorry guys, I knew it. Oh wait, sorry guys, I knew it fainted. True.
Oh, up to the moon.
Got it for a second.
That'll work for 1
'Cause
second.
baby, you're a firework. Come and show me where you work. Oh. I think it's gonna start any second.
Whoa, that was nice.
Oh, I knew it fell.
What was that one called?
Whoospangadinga! Whoospangadinga! Banana. Oh.
Don't like fast fuse.
Oh, it's another one of them, Grandma.
Yeah. Suddenly it's going to get louder.
I think so.
Oh, no.
What smells of fire? Is there a fire nearby?
No, but there's a craziness nearby.
Ha ha ha.
3 minutes. Only 3 more minutes and a few seconds left. Oh, 2 minutes and a few.
Nice.
Cool. That's in there. Ben, this is okay, this is actually really perfect because I can look through it.
I mean, yeah. True. I mean, he would never be wrong.
Oh, it's one of them surprises. Oh.
Probably the world's smallest crackly one.
Yeah.
Tabletop fireworks.
But that would probably be what Josh could watch one of them and without it being too noisy for him.
Oh, Josh is holding on to them.
Oh. Go to the sky, Josh.
Oh, that's a sky one, all right.
Oh, go to the sky.
That one
Went to the tree.
That went to a tree. Oh, let's hope the tree doesn't get burned down. Or then we'll have to chop the tree down. That's what Susie says.
Yeah.
Chop the tree down. No. Oh wait, don't forget.
No, you can't.
Oh, it's like a traffic light one, but it doesn't go up. Oh, it's getting higher. Well, there because you can't probably
What
see
if there's one secret one that goes kaboom?
Wait, before we went rainbow on that one, did you see?
I didn't see the blue, but...
Oh, he's doing that one next.
No, I can't see.
You can if you take your hood down.
Whoa!
That really long time.
Cool, man.
I actually got that whole thing, Grandma.
Mhm. Very
Ooh.
good.
Let's hope that doesn't burn the house like what happened to me. Oh.
Because whatever happened to me was bad.
Yeah. Burn on. Oh, that went on top of our roof, guys. I got it. Thank you. Thank you, best dad in the world ever.
Welcome. Go take your tablet in there.
Best video ever.
Okay, guys, that's it for Bonfire Night. Bye.